Imagine a whale, a creature of immense size and grace, gliding effortlessly through the vast open ocean. Now picture it in the icy waters of the Arctic, where the cold bites and the sea is alive with mystery. But this whale is different. It has a long spiral tusk, like something out of a fairy tale. This is the narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea. Its unique appearance has captured human imagination for centuries. These creatures are mysterious, beautiful, and perfectly adapted to their harsh environment. Their world is one of ice and extremes, a cold and distant realm that few have explored. Yet it is a world we must strive to understand, for it holds secrets about life in the most challenging conditions. The narwhal's tusk is its most iconic feature, a spiraled marvel that has fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. This tusk grows from the left side of the upper jaw, a single tooth that defies expectations. It can grow up to 10 feet long, an extraordinary length for a tooth. Imagine carrying such a feature through the icy depths. But the tusk is not just for show. It is not a horn, but a highly sensitive tooth, capable of detecting subtle changes in the water. This remarkable adaptation helps the narwhal navigate and understand its frozen world, a testament to the wonders of evolution. Narwhals live in the Arctic Ocean, a vast and frigid expanse of water that remains frozen for much of the year. These mysterious creatures are often called the unicorns of the sea because of their long, spiral tusks, which are actually elongated teeth. This is a cold and icy place where temperatures can plummet to extremes, and the environment is as harsh as it is beautiful. The Arctic is a world of icebergs, frozen seas, and endless white horizons. But narwhals are perfectly adapted to this environment. Their streamlined bodies and unique physiology allow them to navigate the icy waters with grace and efficiency. They have a thick layer of blubber beneath their skin, which acts as insulation. This blubber is essential for survival, keeping them warm even in the freezing Arctic waters. This blubber not only provides warmth, but also serves as an energy reserve during times when food is scarce. It's a vital adaptation for life in such an unforgiving habitat. They find breathing holes in the ice, which are essential for their survival. These openings allow them to surface and take in air, even when the ocean is covered in thick ice. This allows them to survive in an environment where oxygen can be hard to access. Narwhals are also highly social animals, often seen interacting and traveling together. They live in groups called pods, which provide safety and companionship. These pods are a key part of their social structure. These pods can vary in size from just a few individuals to larger groups. The size of the pod often depends on the season and the availability of food. Sometimes during migrations or feeding events, pods can grow to include hundreds of narwhals, creating a breathtaking spectacle in the icy waters. Narwhals communicate with each other using a variety of sounds. These vocalizations are an essential part of their social interactions. They use clicks, whistles, and knocks to navigate, find food, and stay connected with their pod members. These sounds travel well through water, even in the icy depths. These sounds not only help them locate prey, but also alert them to potential dangers. In the frozen paradise of the Arctic, narwhals thrive, perfectly adapted to their unique and challenging world. The narwhal's tusk is a mystery. Scientists are still learning about it, but we do know some things. The tusk is not used for fighting, it is too fragile. Some scientists believe it is used for sensing. The tusk can tell the narwhal about the water. It can tell them about the temperature and the saltiness. It can even help them find food. The tusk is also important for mating. Males use their tusks to impress females. They rub their tusks together. This shows who is the strongest. Narwhals eat fish and squid. These marine mammals are skilled hunters, using their sharp senses to locate prey in the dark, icy waters of the Arctic. Their diet is rich in protein, which helps them survive the extreme cold. They also eat shrimp and other small creatures. These tiny organisms are abundant in the Arctic, providing a vital food source for narwhals. By foraging near the ocean floor, narwhals play a key role in the underwater food web. They dive deep to find their food. Narwhals can reach depths of up to 1,500 meters, holding their breath for up to 25 minutes. This incredible ability allows them to access prey that other predators cannot reach. Narwhals are important to the Arctic ecosystem. They are not just hunters, but also prey, forming a crucial link in the food chain. Their presence helps maintain the delicate balance of life in these frigid waters. They are a food source for polar bears and orcas. These predators rely on narwhals for sustenance, especially during the harsh Arctic winters when food is scarce. The survival of these predators is closely tied to the health of narwhal populations. They help keep the populations of their prey in check. By consuming fish, squid, and shrimp, narwhals prevent overpopulation of these species, ensuring a balanced ecosystem. We must protect narwhals to preserve this natural harmony. Climate change is affecting their habitat. The ice is melting. As the Arctic warms, the environment narwhals depend on is disappearing. This loss of sea ice disrupts their hunting grounds and exposes them to new threats. This makes it harder for them to find food and survive. With less ice, narwhals must travel farther and dive deeper to locate prey, expending more energy. These challenges put their survival at risk. We must learn more about these amazing creatures. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand their behavior, migration patterns, and how they adapt to a changing environment. This knowledge is crucial for their conservation. We must do everything we can to ensure their survival. Conservation efforts, such as protecting their habitats and reducing human impact, are essential. Together, we can make a difference for narwhals and the Arctic ecosystem. The unicorns of the sea are counting on us. These majestic creatures symbolize the beauty and fragility of the Arctic. By protecting them, we protect an entire ecosystem and ensure its survival for generations to come.